Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable draft reminder emails on Google Photos. So how to disable draft reminder emails on Google Photos? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and look for Draft Reminder Emails. Now here you have found it. Tap here to disable Draft Reminder Emails. The function of this feature is to disable draft reminder emails in Google Photos so that you do not receive notifications regarding unfinished drafts. So that's it, the tutorial how to disable draft reminder emails on Google Photos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.